Good evening, everybody. My name is Gianni Macchio, and today I will be presenting to you my proposal for a project that we were assigned for our class, which was a university series, and hopefully to try to get this implemented into the Nets' further schedule. So, in this presentation, I'm going to be talking about the event details, a price breakdown, the location, as well as a proposed schedule that could possibly happen for next season. So, to start, I will be going over the event details. So for this event, it aims to draw college students by providing them with an opportunity to interact with league executives and notable speakers. It will host a informal LI Nets networking hour and Nets front office staff, a moderated question and answer session with speakers, as well as an opportunity to take some photos with the LI Nets 2019 Conference Final trophy, and at the end have a chance to enter in to win a player signed jersey. So for more of the details, I would like this event to be held 3 times throughout the season, and a week will be chosen for the event to be hosted. The number of participants that I would like to have is around 20 to 40 students. So every day a separate event will take place and will be focused on a major field of study. So this can be business, communications, criminal justice, broadcasting, and so on and so forth. So event tickets will start for $25 for a registration cost, and that will include a game ticket along with concession stand credit possibly. So as for the location, I know that the Coliseum doesn't have many places to host a board meeting. From my understanding, it is really just a main floor with concession stands around it. So I thought it would be a great idea to use the Marriott for this event. I've been there before. I had a all county dinner for baseball there a couple years ago, and there is definitely a lot of space to hold a conference style question and answer event. So, according to the Long Island Marriott's website, there's around 18 event rooms with about 25,894 square feet of total event space and 28 breakout rooms. So, definitely plenty of space to host this event. The typical cost to rent a room is around $120 to $200 per hour. So, as for the price breakdown, so $150 per hour, and the event will run for 2 hours before the game time. So this happens around 2 to 4 times a month. So if we take $150 per hour times that by 2, it would equal $300, and then multiply that by 3 times that the event will be hosted in the month, and you'll get about $900 per month to host the event. So as for the students, if we just take 20 and 40, just pick 30 students per the event, and they have a $25 registration cost, you would get around $750 per event. And if you host it 3 times a week, 3 times a month, you're looking at a total of $2,250 per month. So total profit would be 2,250. Subtract that by the operating cost per month, which is $900, and you'll get around $1,350 per month from this event. So as for the proposed schedule, so just looking on the calendar that the Nets have for this year. So for Tuesday, March 7th, we'll host Business Analytics Day, and this would be before the game against the Motor City Cruise. So as for the event info, insight regarding a range of fields and tools the Nets employ to solve business challenges using data analytics, statistical modeling, and other quantitative techniques, which would be quite insightful. Speakers are also will have an impart career advice and experience, and include their participation in the 2019 Eastern Conference Final run. So for the speakers, I looked on the front office of their website, and Maggie Sheehan is a manager and a business operation for business operations, and Wade Richardson is a manager for community relations and game presentations. So I think that both of them would be great speakers for this event. So that was just a general rundown of what I will want to propose to you guys. If you have any questions, you can just reach out to me. But thank you guys for listening, and have a great night.